Are you struggling to share PDF files on your WordPress website? Today, I'll show you a simple way to upload a PDF and create a link so your visitors can easily access it. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Post, Page, or Content area where you want to add your PDF link. Once you're there, open the Gutenberg block editor. Click the plus icon to add a new block and search for the file block. Next, click Media Library. Upload your PDF if you haven't already and select it. WordPress will automatically generate a download link for your PDF. You can even customize the text for the link so it makes sense for your readers. If you prefer, you can also link a PDF to a piece of text or an image. Simply highlight the text or select the image, click the link icon in the toolbar, and paste the PDF URL you just copied. Hit enter, and just like that, your link is ready. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, your PDF is uploaded, linked, and ready for your visitors to download or view. Now you can share documents, guides, or ebooks effortlessly on your WordPress site. Give it a try and see how easy it is to make your content more accessible.